Ovulation Self-test. The kit includes test strips and the instructions for use. Not included but required is a timer. To find out the ideal date to take the test, consider the following. First, determine the length of your menstrual cycle. This is the number of days from the first day of your period until the last day before the next period starts. Next, using the table, work out when to start testing by waiting for the number of days indicated after your period ends. For example, if your cycle is 28 days and your last period started on the 3rd, you will begin testing on the 13th. It is advised to reduce your liquid intake 2 hours prior to taking the test to avoid producing unreliable results. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Remove the cap from the test stick and with the absorbent tip pointing downward, place it directly in your urine stream until it's saturated. Take care to avoid any urine touching the test window. Replace the cap onto the test stick and place the test on a clean, even surface with the results window facing upwards. Start the timer and read the results after 3 minutes. Do not read the results after 10 minutes. If results are negative but symptoms persist or you yield a positive result, then we advise you to consult your GP. To obtain the most accurate results, you should test at about the same time each day. Perform one test each day over a period or until the LH surge has been detected.